This video will discuss how a group leader can create their own group and register it for an event. Please note that this feature needs to be manually enabled in your console. If you are a volunteer group leader and are not seeing these options described in this video, contact the organization with whom you would like to volunteer for details on group volunteering and options for registering your group. Begin by registering for an event like you would as an individual by navigating to the event listing page for the organization with whom you want to volunteer. This is typically on the organization's website. From there, locate the volunteer opportunity that you would like to participate in and click on it. Then click the Register as a Group button below the event information. You will then be prompted to log into your profile if you already have one or create one if you don't. Next, you will be prompted to choose the group that you would like to register or create a new one. If you are already a group contact, you will see the group listed in the selection box under Step 1. If you want to create a new group and your administrator has enabled it, you can do so by clicking on Create New Group in the selection list instead. You will receive a pop-up box instructing you to create a name for the group. Now that the group is created, you will be able to complete the registration by reselecting the event you want to participate in. It will be the first in the list. Then enter the number of volunteers that will be attending. That will complete a group registration. Depending on how an organization manages their group signups, instead of a group registration, you may have made a reservation for your group. This allows an organization to collect information on individuals within your group prior to your day of volunteering. Critical information, such as signing off on terms and conditions, can be done beforehand, allowing your group to focus on volunteering instead of filling out paperwork when you arrive to serve. You will know you have created a reservation if you receive a confirmation email with additional steps on how to have your group members register themselves. You can simply forward the confirmation email you received to the members of your group for them to quickly register for the shifts you have reserved. If you want to register individual group members, instead of making a group registration or having them register themselves through a reservation, you can register volunteers in your group that already have profiles in the system. You can choose them from the selection list in Step 1, or you can add profiles for members that aren't already in the system by clicking Add Member to My Group and following the steps.